Hi friends, is your phone only charging when you plug it into your computer? No pop-up, no data transfer option, just that annoying battery icon. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to fix this in less than 2 minutes. For this, you need to go to the settings and select the about phone option. Scroll down and then open the software information option. Here need to find the build number option. You need to tap 6 to 7 times the build number, then only you will get the developer option. Yes, now we get to the developer option. For this you need to go to the settings and again system management, and then you will get the developer options, and then scroll down, find usb default usb configuration. Select this. But by default it will select no data transfer. By default it will select no data transfer. In this you need to select file transfer, then you will get the file transfer option when you connected the USB charging. See, now internal storage has been working fine. Okay, thank you.